This video explains how to set up and manage your venues. Venues are very important to set up in CostumeManager.com. There are a few reasons. First, the information will appear on the costume worksheet that you will give to each dancer, communicating where dancers need to be for class pictures, dress rehearsal, and the actual recital can be a surprisingly difficult thing to do. Secondly, providing the venue and date and time information to the parents in advance will result in a lot fewer phone calls to the studio. Parents often decide whether or not to participate in a recital or event based on the event date and time. So giving this information at the same time you're asking them to purchase their costume makes a lot of sense. So let's get to it. Once you're logged into CostumeManager.com customer portal, click on the Venues tab. If you're creating a new venue, click on the Create New Venue button at the top middle of the page. Type the venue name. This is usually a theater name. Sometimes a venue is your own studio for dress rehearsal or for class pictures. Choose your venue type from the Venue Type pull-down menu. The venue options are photographer, dress rehearsal, and recital. You must also enter the address, city, state, and zip code of the venue. This is so we can provide the dancer with turn-by-turn directions to the venue in their costume packaging, which will further reduce those incoming phone calls that you don't have time to answer. Complete the additional information if available. When completed, click the Save or Save and New button to create an additional venue. To add a venue to a class, click on the Classes tab. Click on the class ID number of the desired class. Click on the Edit button at the top middle of the page. Click on the magnifying glass to the right of the desired venue and then click on the venue ID number that corresponds to the venue name and venue type that you would like to associate with this class event. It's a great idea to enter an event call time or start time at this point. Remember, the more information you can provide to your customers, the happier they will be. When you're satisfied with your selections, click the Save button. To print a class worksheet to hand out to your students and their parents, click the Class Worksheet button. That's all there is to it. For information on how to manage the items in your class list, watch the Manage Assigned Products video.